Good morning, traders. I'm Diane King Hall with your Schwab Network Morning Minute. Here are a few things to keep in focus today. Shares of Palo Alto are under pressure in the pre-market. The cybersecurity company did beat expectations in its fiscal third quarter, reporting a profit of 80 cents a share on an adjusted basis. But guidance coming in on the lower end of expectations seems to be worrying investors this morning. Meantime, Target missed expectations in its most recent quarter on both the top and bottom line, and same-store sales fell nearly 4%. On top of that, it is slashing its forecast for the year as it continues to deal with blowback from its DEI rollback, along with the pressure of tariffs. TJX also out with its quarterly report card this morning. Maxinistas are still shopping, helping the parent company of TJ Maxx beat expectations on both the top and bottom line. Same-store sales rose 3%, but its guidance is causing investors to fret this morning. Be sure to download the Schwab Network app and watch 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com.